Welcome back to Flourish Fruit Academy. In the last episode, we built our own very AI pets, but today we're making it level up. Yes, just like in real games, our pet is going to earn XP, experience, and grow stronger. Let's jump right into Scratch. Now, we're going to go to variables and create XP variable and then level variable.
Okay, I'll do that.
Now that we have these two new variables, XP and level, the XP, as you know, stands for experience points. In real games, when you do something good, you earn XP. Now, we go to the pet sprites, which is this puppy, we're already there. Under when green flag click, that is at the very top here, I need to set SP to 0, and then we're going to set level to 1. So we set this one to 1. Every pet starts at level 1 and XP starts at 0. Now we're going to go to the button and give it XP too. So we'll come here. When the sprites click, we're going to have a change SP by 1. So when we take care of our pets, it ends experience rather. And that is why we have the change XP by 1 here. Now we're going to go to the button sprites, this one. And then we're going to say change XP by 2. Now, playing games, not playing games rather, sorry, my bad. Playing with our pets gives more XP because it makes the pets happier. That is why we also have change XP by 3 here. Now the level up parts. Now we'll go back to our pet sprites. And in our pet sprites, we're going to say, so inside this existing if else block, we go to control. We say if XP, so go to operators, so P greater than or equals to just this guy. So come to variables of XP. We say if XP greater than or equals to 10, then still in variables, change level by 1, set SP to 0, and then we'll go to looks to say level up for 2 seconds. Now, this means that once our XP reaches 10, our pet levels up, and then XP resets so we can level up again. Now let's make leveling feel more powerful. Still inside forever. So let me just take this guy. Okay. Let me duplicate this guy and come outside there. So we're going to go to operator and pick equals to. So just take this guy out. Take this entire guy out. We take this guy also out. So leave this one. Now I'm going to say if level equals to 2. And to do that, we're going to go to variables and pick level. See if level equals to 2. Say I'm going stronger. Now that we have this, all we need to do now is to just duplicate again. and say if level equals to 3, but this time we're going to switch costume. So instead of say, come to look, so pick switch costume. Switch costume to, let's pick normal since we are limited by costume. And then we'll put it under here. Now in real games, we reward players with upgrades. So now, with this, we've rewarded our pets with more XP by saying when we feed our AI pets, it is gaining experience points. When we play with our AI pets, it is also gaining experience points. Now quickly, in the part 1 of the video, I did not add an optional safety check. So now in the play button, I want you to say if go to control, should it be inside forever? Okay, let's pick forever. So let's say if come here, go to variable, not variables operator, greater than, then variables, and pick happiness. I say if happiness greater than 10, we say set happiness to 10. And then for the food also, we'll just take a forever block, then control, take the with 10, then we go to operator, sorry, yes, operators, I picked on sensing and said sorry for that, my bad. So then we say if hunger then come to variables and say if hunger less than 2, minus 2 rather, then play sound, set hunger to 0. Sorry, it should be 0. And set hunger to 0. Okay, so that is the 2 modifications I want to add. Now moving on, we've added XP to our apple and to our fruits and play button. And so the next now is we've also made the leveling up feel powerful by adding if level equals to 2 in the pet and if level equals to 3. So now I'll click on the green flag. I'll feed the pet repeatedly. Then, as you can see, my XP rose to 21 by feeding the pets repeatedly, but the pet is sad. So, I'm going to play with the pets. I'm going to feed the pets. And as you can see, we are feeding our pet and also playing with it, and we're leveling up at the same time. So now, and just like that, you beat a real leveling system. You now understand how games reward players and using XP and levels. In the next episode, we're going to unlock special abilities for higher levels. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next episode of Flourish Field Academy.